When planning a party, you keep your guest list in order. When planning a survey, keep your participant list in order with contact lists. Whether you're sending email invitations or setting up login passwords, Contact Lists stores your lists of email addresses and unique codes, along with any other data you'd like to add through mail merge or pre-population. Within your projects, you'll find contact lists up here in the top right corner of your screen. You can create a new list of either email addresses or unique IDs that will be used for custom login passwords. Make your choice, then add a unique and descriptive name for your list. Next, identify the additional fields of data your list includes, like first name or department. You may choose from the existing list or add a custom field. Uploading a file is one of the most common ways to create a list. You'll need to identify whether your file has any column headers that should be ignored, plus whether duplicate addresses should be allowed. You'll also need to map the name of the field you identified earlier to the header of the column in the file you uploaded. Once your list is created, you'll be able to review or edit, or even create sublists for specific purposes. For example, you might want to send a certain survey to just one department rather than to all employees. You may view or modify your lists, including adding, deleting, or hiding fields. If you'd like to add a new field, you can choose how to update your list. You may also add new contacts to your list, edit existing records, or export all or some of your contacts. When you use an email address list to distribute, a rating will automatically show up. This rating is based on both address quality and list size. To improve the quality of your list, you may choose to delete or archive some contacts, including those that have bounced back emails. Lists are a smart way to manage data securely, enable pre-population and mail merge, and keep participant data organized well before launching. Get smart about your data with contact lists.